What's going on, guys? Thank you for coming to my page. I'll make this real quick 'cause it's really hot out. Thanks for checking out my free training. I bet you guys have paid a ton of money for these online gurus and these make money at home schemes, and you're left with a hell of a lot of information, but you got no direction on where to go. Well, I was there too, and that's why I started this group and this website, and that's why I'm giving away this completely free training. I want to help you hit the ground running with online marketing and freeing yourself up financially. So just enter your information below. Let's get started. Let's hit the ground running and just get this shit done. Um, I've been knocked down plenty of times. This big age hole here. Just get right back up and start running. I'm giving away this free training because I was there right where you were too. Just know where to go and no one to teach me and to direct me where to go. So I'm going to be that person. I'm going to help direct you where to go. Let's get this stuff together. Put your information in below and let's get started.